fear the attack. If you understand it, security starts with you. Think before you click. Check before you trust. One small pause is enough. Think before you click. Don't rush, don't fall. One smart move can save it all. Yeah, every message is not the same. Somewhere trust but hide a game. A perfect logo, a familiar name, but hidden links can bring you pain. They play with fear, they push you fast. Act right now, this won't last. But when you slow and analyze, you break the trap behind disguise. Before you click, check before you trust. One small pause is a must. Think before you click. Stay alert, stay wise. Don't believe every disguise. Check the sender, read it right. Small mistakes hide in plain sight. Hover links, don't just go. See where that URL will flow. Look again, domain is key. Fake ones hide cleverly. HTTPS alone isn't proof of trust. A padlock doesn't mean you must use MFA, your second wall. If one falls, it blocks them all. Password strong, never reuse. That's how attackers get confused. OTP is yours alone. Never share it on your phone. Legit services won't ask your OTP out of the blue. That's how you know what's fake or true. Verify the link. Take 1 second, stop and think. Think before you click. Protect your zone. Your digital life is your own. Don't trust emails blindly sent, even if they look well meant. Use official channels, not the link they gave. That's the smartest way to stay safe. Zero trust, verify each step you take. Never assume that's the mistake. Check it first, then proceed. That's real cyber defense indeed.
Attackers move with silent art. They don't break code, they break your heart. But knowledge builds a stronger wall. Awareness is the strongest call. You are the firewall they fear. When your thinking becomes clear, not the system, not the tech, it's your mind they can infect.
Stop. Think. Verify. And control. And control.